Flat felled seams are really easy to do and great if you want to have a jacket that's reversible. So let me show you how to do this. You're going to change your seam allowances to be a little larger probably than your pattern. So change them to 1 inch. That's an easy number to remember. And simply stitch down the seam. And I'm stitching with right sides together. So very similar that you would do to a regular seam. Here we have 1 inch seam, and what I'm going to do is press this. I'm pressing the seam to one side. This is a wool, so wool behaves really well with pressing. Press it to one side. I flip it over one more side just to make sure that the pressing looks really nice. I'm using a tailor's clapper to make a secure seam. I'm going to come back over here, and what you're going to do is trim off the under layer. If you use really sharp scissors, it's kind of nice because you can kind of just slide them. I'm trimming it off just, it looks like maybe about 1/4 of an inch, okay? I'm gonna fold this under. You don't even need pins with this. This is great for polar fleece as well, and denim. I fold it under. Now if you want to measure and press, you can. So this will make you 1/2 of an inch seam. I'm just gonna fold that under. And again, just going to stitch a little ways down. I think you're getting the idea. This is so simple. So here's one side. That could be the inside or the outside, but this would be the inside of the jacket, and this would be the outside. A perfect seam for a reversible jacket.